Alright, welcome back folks. Here Mr. Lund speaking. Alright, we're going to go over a little overview of our MIG welding project. Let's go ahead and open up that document. You should have a hard copy of this in front of you. Let's go through some of these steps and make sure that you have everything figured out. If you're watching this video, that means you are on to step 2 already. So kudos to you for that. Alright, let's go on step 3 here. I'm going to ask that you watch 2 different videos by the same video maker, I should say, or YouTube channel. He is awesome. It's Jody from weldingtipsandtricks.com. So he's got 2 videos, MIG Welding Basics 2 and MIG Welding Basics 3, that I would like you to watch for this assignment. And let's go ahead and take a look at that one and see what it's going to look like. If you come into YouTube, search my channel once again. Oh, cannot spell this morning. Find my channel. If you haven't done so, subscribe. And you're going to come down here to my playlist for Ag Mechanics. Well, we don't want that video yet, but if you scroll over here to MIG Welding Basics 2 and MIG Welding Basics Part 3, those are the 2 videos that you're going to be watching. So if we click there, you will see here MIG Welding Basics 2 with Jody. Alright, let's go back over to our document. One of the things you're going to need to do with this is you're going to need to take 1 page of notes on the 2 MIG welding videos. You might choose to file, open a new document. Oops, let's go new, and go ahead and type those notes, and then you could go half screen, right? Minimize that, drag it, and then you could pop open the video over here and do the same thing, and there you go. You got your video over here as it's playing. You could be sitting over here, type along. This video is awesome, right? Maybe not, maybe. Okay, so you have an option, or you can do handwritten notes. However, when it is all said and done, you need to turn in 1 full page of notes. Let's go back to our MIG welding project here. You do not need to take a page of notes on each video, just 1 page between the 2 of them. Next, the final assignment for this project is for you to write a detailed tutorial on MIG welding. You will be writing this document for someone who has never used or set a MIG welding machine before. Your paper should be detailed and highlight all of the information that you have learned about MIG welding this far. Meaning, use your notes, use the things that we've lectured on in class so far. Please use the videos as reference, and you feel free to search for additional references or videos that you want to watch to make your paper exceptional. Here are the 3 things that I would like you to cover in your body paragraphs. This will be a 5-paragraph essay format. So you have 3 body paragraphs, an intro, and you guessed it, a conclusion. So here we go. You have a basic machine setup and gas selection is a topic that I would like you to cover. We have techniques and factors used in MIG welding. So what are those things that you need to be working on? How do we push the gun? Do we push? Do we pull? Do we oscillate? Do we go straight? What is it that we're looking at? And then the last part, which many of you will be able to relate to, is what are some of the common mistakes in novice welders? Oh, wait, what's novice mean? That's right, novice, to be a beginner, somebody that doesn't have a lot of experience in that area. So what are some of those common mistakes that maybe you yourself as a novice welder made, but in general that novice welders make? And how do you overcome those challenges? How would they fix those problems? Alright, this paper is a 5 standard paragraph essay format. You need to use 12-point Times New Roman font, and the paper should be set with double spacing throughout. Now down here you'll see here's the rubric for how you'll be graded. You'll have 25 points just from the notes that I asked you to take on it. 75 points will come from the content, meaning you actually have valid and good quality content in your paper. I'm looking for good insight into MIG welding. Really take this to heart. What do they need to know, right? Formatting. Did you use the proper formatting? Spelling and grammar. It does count in life, folks. So, total of 150 points. This project will be due March 4th for this particular assignment in 2016. All right, folks. Work hard, work diligent. Until next time, take it easy.